Space, the final frontier. For centuries it remained a realm accessible only to powerful governments, but the tides are turning. On March 2, 2025, a new era in space exploration dawned. A private company, Firefly Aerospace, successfully landed their Blue Ghost spacecraft on the surface of the moon. The world watched as a grainy video feed showed Blue Ghost gracefully descending towards its target near Mont-Latrey. The silence in mission control was deafening as the lander adjusted its trajectory, avoiding boulders and craters. Then a soft bump, a cloud of dust, and cheers erupted. Blue Ghost had made history. It underscored the rise of the private sector in space exploration, a domain once exclusively controlled by government agencies like NASA. Firefly Aerospace had etched its name in the annals of space history, demonstrating that the cosmos is open for business. The moon, a celestial companion that has captivated humanity for millennia, still holds many secrets. Blue Ghost's mission was meticulously crafted to shed light on some of these enigmas. Equipped with cutting-edge instruments, the lander embarked on a scientific journey to expand our understanding of the lunar environment and its history. One primary objective was to study the lunar surface in unprecedented detail. Blue Ghost was tasked with analyzing the composition of the lunar regolith, the fine-grained soil that blankets the moon's surface. By understanding the makeup of this regolith, scientists hope to gain insights into the processes that shaped the moon over billions of years. Furthermore, Blue Ghost carried instruments to measure the moon's magnetic field, a critical factor in understanding the moon's internal structure and evolution. The lander's sensors would delve into the mysteries of the lunar interior, probing for clues about the moon's formation and its relationship with Earth. Landing a spacecraft on the moon is no easy feat. It's a complex ballet of physics, engineering, and split-second decision-making. For Blue Ghost, the challenge was even greater. Unlike previous lunar missions, Blue Ghost was equipped with a sophisticated autonomous landing system, capable of guiding the lander to a safe touchdown without any human intervention. As Blue Ghost approached the lunar surface, its onboard cameras and sensors sprang to life, scanning the terrain below. The lander's computer, armed with advanced algorithms, rapidly processed the incoming data, identifying potential hazards and selecting a clear landing zone. The autonomous landing system proved its mettle, flawlessly executing a series of maneuvers to avoid obstacles and ensure a smooth touchdown. This technological triumph showcased the power of autonomy in space exploration, opening up new possibilities for future missions. Section 4. Eclipse over the Moon, a celestial spectacle. On March 14, 2025, as Blue Ghost continued its scientific endeavors on the lunar surface, a celestial spectacle unfolded above. A total solar eclipse visible from the moon provided a unique opportunity for the lander to observe this awe-inspiring event from a perspective never witnessed before. As the Earth moved between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow across the lunar landscape, Blue Ghost's instruments whirred to life, capturing the eclipse in all its glory. The lander's cameras recorded the event in high definition, providing scientists with invaluable data about the sun's corona, the outermost layer of the solar atmosphere. By studying the sun's corona during the eclipse, researchers hoped to gain new insights into the sun's magnetic field, its temperature, and the processes that drive solar flares and coronal mass ejections. Blue Ghost's observations underscored the unique vantage point that our celestial neighbor offers for studying the cosmos. Section 5. Probing the lunar underground. While Blue Ghost's cameras were busy capturing stunning images of the lunar surface and the eclipse above, the lander was also hard at work exploring the mysteries hidden beneath the moon's desolate plains. One of the lander's key instruments, the pneumatic lunar drill, or PLD, was tasked with probing the lunar regolith, extracting samples and analyzing their properties. The PLD used a combination of pneumatic pressure and percussion to drill into the lunar regolith, reaching depths of up to 3 meters. As the drill bored deeper into the moon, it collected core samples, preserving the stratigraphy of the regolith and providing scientists with a glimpse into the moon's geological history. These core samples, once returned to Earth, would be meticulously analyzed in laboratories around the world. Scientists would examine their composition, searching for clues about the moon's formation, the bombardment it endured from asteroids and comets, and the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles. Section 6. Blue Ghost's Legacy, a stepping stone to the stars. As Blue Ghost's mission on the moon drew to a close, the lander had already achieved an impressive list of firsts. It was the first private spacecraft to successfully land on the moon, the first to witness a total solar eclipse from the lunar surface, and the first to drill deep into the lunar regolith, extracting valuable core samples. But perhaps Blue Ghost's most enduring legacy was its role in ushering in a new era of space exploration, one where private companies play an increasingly prominent role. The success of Blue Ghost has ignited the imaginations of entrepreneurs and space enthusiasts worldwide. It has demonstrated that lunar exploration is no longer the exclusive domain of government agencies, and that private companies can contribute significantly to our understanding of the cosmos. The data collected by Blue Ghost will keep scientists busy for years to come, providing valuable insights into the moon's history, composition, and potential resources. These discoveries will pave the way for future missions, both robotic and human, as we strive to establish a sustainable presence on the moon and beyond.